Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Detail Sander is probably one of the most underrated tools in any workshop, capable of tackling those tricky spots that other sanders simply can't reach. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a weekend warrior, the right detail sander can make all the difference in achieving a flawless finish on your projects. Today, we're diving deep into the world of detail sanders to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. SKIL SR232301 Multifunction Detail Sander. This detail sander boasts a 1.2 amp motor, delivering 13,500 orbits per minute. It provides smooth and efficient sanding for various applications. The 4-in-1 design includes 3 additional attachments. Changing these attachments is tool-free, making it easy to handle fine finishing, corners, edges, and contours. Keep your workspace clean with its microfiltration system. It also includes a 1-to-1/4-inch dust port for vacuum attachment, giving you options to manage dust. The hook and loop system allows for simple and quick sanding sheet changes. This feature saves time and makes the process more efficient. With its ergonomic design and soft rubber grip, your hand stays comfortable. The counterweight balance reduces hand fatigue from vibration, allowing you to work longer. The dust-sealed on-off switch makes it easy to start and stop. This feature ensures hassle-free operation during your sanding tasks. What we like. This detail sander offers incredible versatility with its 4-in-1 design, allowing you to tackle various projects with ease. The quick change attachments make switching between tasks a breeze. If you're working on a project with intricate details or need to reach tight spaces, it's the perfect choice. With its low vibration, you can work for longer periods without fatigue. What people say. Worked as described. Nice smooth surface to stain when I was done. Easy to use. Worth the money and much easier than doing it by hand. Made this project go so quickly. We have had it for a year now and have used it for multiple projects. Still works great. It feels rugged and the oversized handle grip gives you complete control. To me the handle feels like the gear shifter in my truck. This sander can get into corners and other tight spaces because of the 3 additional head attachments which are a breeze to change and takes about 15 seconds. This has been working perfectly. Needed something to get into the tight areas of our steps to sand them down to stain them. Number 4. SKIL SR250801 Corded Detail Sander. This detail sander features a 1 amp motor, delivering 12,000 orbits per minute. It provides a smooth performance for various sanding tasks. With this tool, you can complete your projects efficiently. This sander is designed to keep your workspace clean. It includes a microfiltration system and a 1-to-1/4-inch dust port for vacuum attachment. You can choose the best way to manage dust with this tool. Changing sanding sheets is quick and simple. The hook and loop system allows for easy changes. This feature helps you save time and work more efficiently. The ergonomic design and soft rubber grip make it comfortable to use. The counterweight balance reduces hand fatigue from vibration, allowing you to work longer. This design enhances your overall sanding experience. The dust-sealed on and off switch provides hassle-free operation. It's a simple flip of the switch during application. This feature adds convenience to your workflow. What we like. This sander delivers a smooth performance, making it ideal for a variety of sanding applications. It also features an effective dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean. If you're looking for a reliable sander that combines power with user comfort, this is the one. Its low vibration design ensures comfortable use, even during extended projects. What people say. Works very well. Perfect little sander for all kinds of jobs, very well made. Works great for my projects. Number 3. HYCHIKA Detail Sander, compact and efficient. This HYCHIKA detail sander runs at 1.6 amps and up to 14,000 orbits per minute. It's ideal for polishing metal and plastic, stripping paint, and removing rust. The package includes 12 sheets of sanding paper in 3 different grits, P80, P120, and P240. The hook and loop system allows for quick and easy attachment. This allows you to meet different woodworking needs. This hand sander features a dust bag and a 6-hole dust collection system. This maximizes dust extraction, keeping your work area clean. It's easy to disassemble and install. With its compact size and soft rubber head design, it can easily reach tight spaces. This allows you to finish edges, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's ideal for interior detail work. The package includes the HYCHIKA detail sander, 12 hook and loop sandpapers, a dust bag, and a manual. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This detail sander is designed for tight spaces, making it perfect for detailed work. It also features an efficient dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean. If you're working on furniture restoration or detailed woodworking projects, this sander is your best friend. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it easy to handle and control. What people say. The dust collection is effective. I didn't notice much dust at all while using it. It's also easy to maneuver in small, tight spaces, which was a big plus. I was really pleased with the variety of sandpaper included. It made it easy to get started on my project right away. Number 2. Micro Detail Sander with 70 PCS Sandpaper Kit. This sander uses A+ grade aluminum oxide abrasives, making it durable and flexible. The premium material ensures a consistent scratch pattern and a smooth finish. You'll love using it for all your sanding projects. The mini sander is made of soft, lightweight polyurethane foam, ensuring comfortable use. Its design allows for precise pressure control, and the hook and loop system makes changing sandpaper easy. The grit number is clearly printed on the back, so you can quickly find the right one. You'll receive an upgraded mini sanding mouse and 70 premium hook and loop sandpapers. The sandpaper comes in various grits, perfect for any project. It sticks firmly to the sander, and the aluminum oxide abrasives prevent clogging. This mini sander is perfect for small objects like wood crafts, cups, and glasses. It's also great for tight spaces, such as corners of walls and gaps between railings. It will help you get the job done. If you receive a damaged product or are not satisfied, please contact us anytime. Our customer service team will respond quickly and professionally. We are committed to making your purchase a pleasant experience. What we like. This mini sander is made with premium materials, ensuring durability and consistent results. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you like working on small crafts, woodworks, or need to sand in tight spaces, this is the perfect tool. It's designed to make your sanding tasks easier and more efficient. What people say. Does the job. This made the job so much easier. Very useful in small areas. Number 1. Dura-Gold Sanding Stick Kit with Ergo Handle. This is the Dura-Gold Sanding Stick Kit. It comes with an Ergo handle and a variety of sanding sheets. This kit is designed to make your sanding tasks easier and more efficient. The kit includes 3 uniquely designed contour hand sanding file block sticks. They have different convex radius profile contour shapes. This allows it to sand intricate contoured, convex, and concave surfaces. Each file has a comfortable soft grip ergonomic handle. The file shafts have a layer of medium-density durable polyurethane foam. This design ensures a comfortable and effective sanding experience. The kit comes with a 40-sheet grit variety pack of sanding sheets. It includes 8 different grits, from 60 to 600. This variety ensures that you have the right sandpaper for any project. These sanding files are perfect for woodworking, automotive, and craft projects. It's also great for difficult molding edges and odd surface shapes. It's a versatile tool for any sanding need. These sanding block files are common shapes that music equipment luthiers use. It is perfect for sanding acoustic and electric guitar parts. All grits of sandpaper sheets are available for replenishment purchase and sold separately. What we like. This sanding kit is designed for contoured sanding, making it perfect for intricate shapes. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. If you are working on projects with curves, like musical instruments or automotive work, this is the perfect choice. It comes with a variety of grits to handle different sanding needs. What people say. Easy to use with the Velcro back sandpaper. Love the great grip and the ease at which I can reach into different spots. Ergonomic, reusable, easy and quick sandpaper changes, basic shapes for most any use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.